Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining me today. I had quite a few friends ask me where I get my vegetable seeds from. To be quite honest, I actually harvest and collect all my own seeds from my backyard garden. The reason I do this is that it guarantees that my harvest will be great for next season. I recommend that you collect the seeds from your most productive plant. For example, I always harvest and collect the seeds from my largest tomato. The next important thing about harvesting and gathering seeds is to know when to collect the seeds. Different vegetables in your garden will be ready at different times in the season, and you need to recognize the signs and to know when it's ready to be harvested. Another important step is to learn how to collect the seeds and prepare them for storage. It is important to remember to collect the seeds from mature melons and plants. For example, when you're harvesting the seeds from a bitter melon, the outside of the bitter melon is actually a golden yellow color and the inside is red. Another example is the green pepper. Do not harvest the seeds when it's green and not yellow, but when it turns red. Another important thing to remember is that you must dry the seeds really well. After you've collected, washed, and prepared the seeds, I suggest laying it out in the sun to dry. The more you let your seeds dry, the less likely they'll go bad. It's important to label them and store them somewhere dry. Seeds do expire, so I recommend that you use them up or you can share them with friends. Please remember to subscribe and join us as we share how we grow each vegetable from seed. These are just some of the vegetables and melons that we grow. We have so many varieties to introduce to you, and we're so excited to share with you our tips and techniques.